Hi, today I will be showing you how to create the solid mitered crochet square with increases, and you can make this as big as you like. Okay, let's get started. Once you've completed your ring, you're going to chain 3, and then we're going to double crochet into the ring. To do this twice, that's 1, 2, then we chain 2, and then we are going to create 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Once that's done, we can turn the work around, and then we chain 3, which acts as the first double crochet, and then we shall double crochet into the next 2 DCs below. So that's 1, and another one there, 2, and now in the gap we will double crochet twice, and then chain 2, double crochet 2 times again, and now we're going to complete the last 3 double crochets into the stitches below. Once you've done that, this is how your square should look. So you can see how it's increasing in the corners. So for the next few rows, all you do is keep turning the work around, chain 3 acting as the first double crochet. Then you just need to double crochet into each stitch below, as we can see here. And this pattern just follows all the way through. And the thing is that we're increasing in the middle there, the stitches, which is what makes the square bigger. So after you've done that, it will always be in the middle there. 2 double crochets, here 2 double crochets with chain 2. So there's a chain 2 here, and another double crochet, and then we just DC into all the rest, as you can see here. And that's basically the pattern. And you can make the square as big as you want following this pattern. So once that's done, you can see 3 rows looks like this, and you can see it coming together. Then you just keep adding in the same way, back and forth, like that. Here I'll speed run you through the 5th row. So I've already done the 4th row in this nice pink yarn, and I'll just show you quickly how I did the 5th row. The beauty of this pattern is that it creates like an optical illusion if you put them together in a blanket. So it's nice to use different colours like this that contrast together. Here we go. In the middle here is the increase, where we do 2 DCs, chain 2 and 2 DCs again, and that is how you increase the normal granny squares in the corners as well. And this is the end result. Please excuse my nails. This is what happens when you take off your own gel polish. And anyway, this is what it looks like. Beautiful. Thank you for watching Crochet Kingdom.